Hi, I'm Kyle with Dcubed, and I'm here to introduce you to our latest and largest pin puller, one of the newest additions to our release actuator line. As with all of our units, this is a shape memory alloy-based release actuator. It has a 7075 anodized aluminum casing and a stainless steel pin with an iodine coating on it. If you look at the front, you do have 4 mounting holes and a nice thick shoulder to be able to get a tight fit to and control that load path. As with all of our units, it's ultra easy to reset. You get over 100 resets without having to use any refurbishment kits or send it out for retooling. These units are fully redundant, so you have 2 SMA lines on the inside as well as 2 sets of electrical wires on the outside. It's ultra low shock, low outgassing, and minimal particles coming off to protect any of your sensitive equipment. So I'm going to go ahead and fire it and just show you how easy it is to work with these units. It is driven by a constant current up to 2 amps. So I'm going to go ahead and power that on. Once it has actuated, you have 2 options for resetting the unit. You can either thread in a bolt to the front and pull the pin back into flight configuration, or we have a reset tool that comes with it that you just push into the back of the unit, and you're back in flight configuration. And that's it.